Israeli couscous, also known as pear couscous. And today I'm going to create a pear couscous salad. And it's going to be a couscous chickpeas mint salad with a little bit of pistachios. So go nowhere, let's create. So this is what I'm going to use for ingredients. I'm going to have 1 cup of the Israeli couscous, also known as pear couscous, about half a cup of the chickpeas, sea salt to taste, extra virgin olive oil, and of course the water. In addition to that, I'm going to have some fresh mint, and I really mean fresh, as well as some thyme. 1.5 cups of water for 1 cup of the couscous, which I'm going to put here now. I'm going to put a little bit of oil, which by the way you could have put it before too, the oil, you know. Just have to make sure you have the water first. A little bit of salt. And this one, I would say, is going to cook, so I would say about maybe 8 to 10 minutes. Might be a little bit sooner, might be a little bit later. But right now I have it at high heat. When it starts boiling, then I'm going to reduce it to medium heat. Around the 8 or 9 minute mark, you will notice that the water will drain, and that's when it's almost ready. See how they look? So here I have the pear couscous of the Israeli couscous. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some chickpeas, some mint, I could have added some thyme if I wanted to. In fact, let me do that. Let me add a little bit of thyme. The couscous already cooked. Then you transfer to another dish. Now you add a little bit of pistachios and perhaps a couple slices of lime or lemon, whichever you want. There you have it.